BRICS 2026. Why News. India has formally launched the official logo and website for the BRICS 2026 presidency. This marks the start of India's leadership year, highlighting its role in guiding the agenda and initiative of the BRICS grouping. BRICS 2026 host country. India will host the BRICS Summit 2026, taking the leadership of the group for the year. This is an important opportunity for India to guide discussion on economic growth, global cooperation and development priorities for BRICS 2026 member countries. As the host, India will set the agenda, organize meetings and strengthen ties among the BRICS nations. BRICS 2026 theme. The BRICS 2026 theme is building for resilience, innovation, cooperation and sustainability. As countries work together to tackle global challenges, it aims to strengthen shared growth, support green development and promote new technologies that benefit all members. The theme highlights the importance of unity, mutual respect and people-centric programs among BRICS nations. This approach reflects India's priority to make BRICS a platform that improves global welfare and addresses real-world issues in an inclusive way. India's role in BRICS 2026. India, as the host of BRICS 2026, will lead the group in promoting inclusive growth, sustainability and global cooperation. Its role focuses on strengthening partnership, guiding discussions and representing the interests of developing countries, chairing the BRICS summit and setting the agenda for 2026, promoting inclusive economic growth and sustainable development, strengthening trade, investment and technological cooperation among members, representing the interests of developing nations in global decision making, encouraging practical solutions for shared global challenges and criticisms of BRICS. BRICS lacks a permanent secretariat or strong institutional structure, making decision making slower and implementation of initiatives weak. Different political and economic interests among members slow cooperation, especially with expanded membership, bringing diverse priorities. Economic imbalances within the group, especially China's dominant share of GDP, create influence gaps and perceptions of unequal power. The new development bank and other BRICS financial mechanisms are still small compared to major global institutions, limiting impact. Intra-BRICS trade remains low despite overall global trade shares showing limited economic integration. BRICS has faced external political and economic pressure, including warnings related to de-dollarization and tariffs affecting cohesion. Some critics call BRICS a talk shop with many discussions but fewer concrete global outcomes. Way forward: establish a permanent secretariat to strengthen institutional structure and coordination, enhance trade, investment and economic cooperation among member countries, focus on sustainable development including clean energy, climate action and green initiatives, promote digital innovation, technology exchange and health cooperation, engage with other countries and international organizations to increase global influence, encourage practical solutions for shared global challenges and inclusive growth.